Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
Me know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
So right now, mommy is about to show you how she makes her homemade wedges for a Sunday dinner or just side dish in general. And to start off, we're going to kick that off with 2 medium Irish potatoes. So you're using 2 large Irish potatoes.
So me go something. Put on in a little salt water, make it boil off a little bit. Then season it up and fry. I'm going to scald off my potato.
Yes, get some water.
Boiling water. And then I strain it off. I'm not going to put the potato and I just scald it a little bit.
Okay, so you're going to blanch it up, yeah.
You can do that, this skin about. Because I'm going to
the clean skin?
You want it like the clean one. You buy nice of market, you want to wash already.
Okay. So you normally just cook your wedge in your skin, but you say it's not the clean one from the supermarket. So you just peel it off. And you cut them into what? 4? So 1 potato you cut into what?
Yeah, I'm cutting enough 4.
Okay.
Then if I'm cutting into it.
So get some nice thick wedges. So 1 large potato is cut into about 8 pieces.
Yes, I'm taking them like.
Okay. So instead of cutting it all the way through, you just cut it like how you cut up an apple.
Cut it not too.
Okay. And for those at home who are not so versatile with the knife, just use a cutting board to assist you. Whereas mommy is very versatile with her knife. You realize she's just going at it. But this is basically what you want. Wedge looking, so 1 potato can be cut into about 8 pieces depending on the size. These ones, she got 8 pieces from each. And mommy like to use this as a side dish for a Sunday dinner. Yes, no man.
Season up my wedge with some nice seasoning.
What, that's some all-purpose seasoning?
Not the all-purpose.
So that's like a spicy, that's a spicy Cajun seasoning. So that's a Cajun rub and you season up the wedge. She blanched her wedges for about 5 minutes, drain the excess water off, and now seasoning them with about 1.5 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning. So right now she's cooking the wedges. She's going to use that from the same oil that we just fried some chicken in. Go and check out that video. You just drop your seasoned wedges in the hot oil of around 320 degrees Fahrenheit and it's a good look.
This is the potato wedge that I showed you earlier on. You just scald them off, boil them off, not cut it up. And then you season it with some all-purpose seasoning. Whatever seasoning you choose. Yes, just like you go KFC, McDonald's, Burger King.
Nice wedge.
Yes.
Yes, no man. That is it.
So I'm gonna cover it now. Let this sweat off of the let this sweat finish it chewy. Can't remember we don't boil the potato and we just
we just blanch them for about 5 minutes.
Cover it now, turn them on a low heat. We don't want it too crispy.
Okay.
Gravy, where you start going with the thing. The wedge is ready now, so we can turn it off now.
So just gonna remove those from the oil and allow them to drain on a piece of paper towel.
I'm gonna remove the pepper.
Whoa! I did a video when I showed you how mommy make her rice and peas. Check that out on the channel. You know, I said, look on this pot of rice. Mommy did not waste no time. Full to the brim, and I can tell you this. I make great rice and peas, but this is where I learned. Oh my God. Murder, she rounds. I used to cooking. You look good, madam, and I like you. So once again, thank you very much for watching. Leave a comment below. Let us know what you think about mommy cooking. Any words to say to the crowd, mommy?
Yes, remember to subscribe to Mary's Time Cooking.
Yes, no man.
Yes, and you will all enjoy it with us. We'll carry to the journey.
Yes, alright. So see it there. Leave a comment below. There you go. Mommy in the kitchen, Mary's Time. Mommy, see it there, man. To all my existing and new subscribers, I just want to give you a heads up that I do have a family channel called Mary's Time Family. So if that's something you're interested in, head on over there, hit subscribe and see that video when I surprise my mom.